Mutulu, M-U-T-L-U, Mutulu batteries, and of course fully grow capsules and tonic. We salute you. Itel P37 series as well. Thank you. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple like that. Airtel Tigo, salute you. All right, so I've got them. First off, we'll be starting off with 3 people. Now I want to start with singles now, because some of the singles were very, very popular on the show. Yeah, some of the singles were very, very, very popular on this show. So we want to start off with the singles, okay? So the first 3 sets singles. Then I see some people from, especially season 4, here as well. I'll introduce you to all of them. But in the meantime, big shouts going out to my man DJ Faculty. He's been awesome all season long. Yeah, please, come on. So when we return from the break, it's going to be Get Trust!
Introducing Carnival Apple and Carnival Ginger. Get used to it. It's Carnival.
Drink responsibly. Not for sale to persons under 18 years of age and not recommended for pregnant women. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Is that not your wife?
Every time your children are falling sick, you don't have money.
Stop! Everyone! Baby. What's setting me there for tonight? You know I like that sweet-scented insecticide spray. Little bit on the porch. Now do we have pity living room home? Bedroom what do you hear? Me love you, me baby. Of course, I take very good care of my wife and children. So I always win. If you want to protect your family against mosquitoes, there's still this sweet scented perfume coil now. I repel mosquitoes. I know man we say baby. And the spray also sweet scented. It kills all crawling and flying insects. Heaven insecticide. Oh, sharp no. What the badamoshi prevention?
That is Ohima feminine mixture. I am a secret bakupa abuame. Woso me bia, me menses e pakama, abramenti ya obia. E flow mami. Me wo ye chin, na me menses no e maye. Me sha ase no that is Ohima feminine mixture no. E bankasa with no pain. So that is Ohima feminine mixture. The best yes you.
Open did what Duffy's Health and Beauty ewo East Legon American House Kumasi so ye Tech Hospital enye map info sankratwe FDA ahwehwe mu agye to mu se eye
na se me yedo na de chinwe yedo na de chinwe kra
ito yedo na de chinwe de ana and also me come yedo hwe
say ye fie duane no ade a fa pomo tomato mixer ewo sachet mu a ne bue nya din kra